Hi, this is another video about different cables that you get and the names for it. First, you have the S video. There's a S video out that goes to the TV. Then there is a aerial in. Normally, sometimes you can connect the decoder. Like years ago, you have had the Mnet decoder that you can connect to the aerial, or a grid aerial that you connect to the aerial, or the decoder from your cable. You can also connect to the aerial, but I think a lot of, but I'll get to that now. And then that's a RF out that goes to your TV. Then, okay, you have the composite, I mean the component. That's a component. Then you have the normal audio out and a coaxial out. Then that is the composite in and composite out. But no, sometimes you connect your cable, your decoder to the composite in. And here's the one that I want to talk about. This is a um, optical out. This is more or less the same as a coaxial out, but it's just Toshiba also wanted their their kind of cable and so on. But this LG 6-head hi-fi stereo VCR and DVD recorder combo have this optical out also. And that's all that I have want to say about the this video about um, cables. As always, thanks for watching. Bye.